Right guys, cold one this morning, although the sun is shining, it's a bit cold. Let's go to McDonald's, fancy one of their hash browns, and grab a coffee. So I haven't really got much to do today guys. I was thinking about going to B&Q or something like that, try and get these runners, you know, that I was mentioning for the sliding doors. But I'm just so tired and just can't be arsed really. Just want to relax. But we'll see what happens. Let me get this coffee down me. Nice greasy hash brown. See how well I feel then. Guys, the golden arches. Alright, let's go. So I haven't bought a McDonald's for ages. Got a nice double sausage and they've got muffin. Can't wait. Oh yeah, brilliant, thank you. Let's go find somewhere to park up and eat this McDonald's, shall we? Money. Right. I think this is a good spot than any. It will do. Not a bad looking view. What do you think of that, guys? That's not bad. McDonald's. There's the coffee. Oh, nice. It's not always glamorous, but this is alright. Not bad. Got some sugar, I've got plenty of it. I'll tell you what, I can use my new table. What a brilliant idea. And it flipping works. It's even better. Got to close that door up, guys, a bit. You can't see me very well because of the sun, which will soon disappear as of next week, unfortunately. I think somewhere in here. Yes. Tomato ketchup. Check it out, that table works. I amaze myself at times, guys. Cheers. Right, okay, let's pop to, turn this radio off. Let's pop to Wickes, see if we can get some of them runners. Okay, anyway, come with me, let's go to Wickes, see what's happening there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Let's see what they have. Look at that bar. Places like this, I'm way out of my depth, way out of my league. found something similar. See what I mean? I want something like that. Right. But obviously, as you can see, they're individuals. Will that work? I'm not too sure. I don't know what to do, guys. People that work here are a bit unsure whether it will work. Fuck it. I'm just going to risk it and get it. Looking at this homemade contraption, if you look, maybe I don't know if you can see it, but obviously sticks out there, so this needs trimming back in order for me to get these things in there. That needs to be removed. I'm going to put a brace down there instead. Yeah, and obviously I need to get some ply or something to use as the slidey doors. Alright, so I'm feeling pretty positive about this now, because I have a saw, so I can trim that shit off. Yeah, I don't know what else to say, guys. I'm pretty positive that I can do this. It's just one of them things that I thought were going to be a bit quicker than I thought it was going to be. Under close inspection, I can see there's a few bits of detailing that I need to do. So guys, as you can see, I've got some wood here. These are going to be my sliding doors. Okay, and I've got some like little runners here. Just need to trim up this area like I mentioned earlier. And just like that, I should have some sliding doors. I might have to get rid of one of my little pallets here. They won't fit the other way around. Shame. I like them pallets. I like these. All reclaimed stuff. But never mind. Right. Let's measure this stuff. From there. Oh, for faff's sake. From there to there is 97 centimeters. Let's go. So, measure once, cut no. Measure twice, cut once, as they say. Mark from there to there. So from top to bottom is 80 centimeters. Let's go. Sorted. So top to bottom, that length by that height, trim down there. Bosh. I'll do a couple of lap marks because previous videos not that great, so I'm going to learn from it hopefully. One there. Do another one there. Another one up here. Alright, so I've got my mark down here. Another one there. Another one there. Another one there. So I'm going to do a straight line down. And fingers crossed it's all good. It went well until there. Typical. Excited so far, guys. These, before I can cut them out, or once I've cut them out, will be my sliding doors. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so one door will be about there. Ooh, whoa. I realise how bent these bits of wood are, though. It's a bit odd. So we slide back and forth, back and forth. You'll get the idea. I need to trim this bit first. Trim this right back. Oh my god, guys, it is warm in here. Let me show you what I've done so far. So I've trimmed this back, I've trimmed these back, both sides. I'm going to stick this down, I think, and stick one at the top. This is my door, and then obviously, hey presto, slidey. Looks very dodgy, but it will do for now, hopefully. Break time. Okay guys, I've finally done it. Let this motorbike go past, hang on. Check this out. What? Sliding doors, G. Check out that. Don't ask me how I done it. There was a lot of F words and a lot of stress, but I done it. Well proud. Alright guys, that is a wrap. Okay, so if you liked what you see, even if you didn't, please subscribe, please like, drop a comment, and get ready for the next one. Peace out guys.